So what's up guys, it's your boy Zach me again. Welcome to my motovlog. So ngayon patungo tayo sa LBC dahil kukunin ko yung prize na napanalunan ko sa isang motovlogger na si Jimgarcia Motovlog. So yes, ito pala yung details niya para ma-subscribe nyo. So yeah, So, yung info niya ay yung bike niya ay Kawasaki Boxer 150 or Bajaj Obaha or ano ba yan, anong tawag niyo dyan. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Jimgarcia Motovlog. Sumama din siya sa MMU 2019. Shout out to Jimgarcia Motovlog. Thank you to you, bro. Salamat ng sobra. And hopefully na magamit tayo soon. And sa mga motovlogger from Manila. So, yes guys. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
A few moments later.
So what's up guys, ito na, nakuha ko na yung binigay ni Jimgarcia. Ito. Salamat pala nito. So yes, salamat pala nito, Master. Salamat ng sobra. May sticker na ako sa'yo. Sana marami to para pwede kong maibigay sa kasamahan kong motovlogger. So, thank you guys. Thank you. So, ito palabas na tayo. Buksan natin dun sa labas. Ito yung pinaka the best na unboxing dahil mag-unboxing tayo dito sa tabi ng daan. So doon. So guys, don't forget to subscribe his channel, Jimgarcia Motovlog. I will put his link down below in the description. So huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe and manood sa kanyang video. So guys, ito na, mag-unboxing na tayo, no? Paano ba to i-unbox? Ba't ang tibay? So yes, this t-shirt, a t-shirt, a stickers. Ito, maraming stickers. Thanks to you, bro. And a sticker. Yes, magandang sticker to, ah. Salamat ang sobra, bro. At parang keychain to, ah. Ito nga, keychain nga. Jimgarcia Motovlog. So salamat ng sobra, bro. At ito may message pa. Dear Zachary Boligon, I would like to thank you for your support on my YouTube channel. This shirt may not look the way you expected. That's because this is unique. Each shirt is different. Nothing two shirt is alike. That's because it's printed in a unique way. Yeah. Thanks you, bro. At may signature pa. Salamat na sobra. So tara na. Let's go. First time kong manalo nito, guys. So and yes, dito na lang tayo, no? So again, shout out to Jimgarcia Motovlog, and please don't forget to subscribe to his channel and like and share his videos, and also to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like again our Facebook page, the Cebu Motovloggers PH. So let's go. Babush.
Later.